Hello darlings and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something new and exciting. So I'm going to go and try and find the new L'Oreal Paris Infallible powder based foundation, girls. So I'm going to give us a little tour down to Boots and try and get some of this TikTok famous foundation powder. So let's go. So I've never done this before. We have just arrived at Boots in Bedford Interchange and we are going to go inside and see if we can find the L'Oreal Paris. I might be a bit quiet because I'm a bit like scared to be a bit sneaky beaky, but we'll see what we can do. So first shop down, didn't find any at all. So we are now going to give it one more try at Boots in Bedford. So this is the next attempt. We have tried Interchange, there was no luck. So now we're going to try Boots in the town centre for the viral TikTok makeup with Julie G. Almost ashtray. You've got me around here. L'Oreal. Yes, we have some. Okay, so it's probably going to be this one realistically, isn't it? What shade is that? Vanilla. That's what I was thinking when I saw it online. We found it, girls. We found it. The TikTok famous L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. This is the shade Golden Satin. Oh, I don't care. I'm going to buy it. Oh boy, buzzing. I'm telling you, super drug in the town centre by the bus station. Come girls, come. Would you get Revolution or L'Oreal?
L'Oreal.
Yeah? Right, we need to pick something. What are we going for?
You know, I thought
Going
this
for a
one,
lipstick.
blush.
Do you know, I bought a new blush the other day. Got the Morphe one.
Okay.
What should we get?
You say you have enough mascara.
I got enough everything, girl. That's the issue.
Oh dear.
I got too much.
Well, you never have enough of bronzer.
Should we keep it on brand with the L'Oreal? Let's go with the L'Oreal.
Yeah.
Let's keep it on brand. We use the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation already. That's the one for today. Concealer. Should we try a blush, like you said?
Yeah.
Warm or mild? Warm you can use less and it looks like less, do you know what I mean? Whereas mild you have to use more. What would you recommend? Let's go for
warm.
You can pick.
Warm.
Warm.
I'll go for warm.
They also work. Oh, it's yellow. Okay, cute. We decided?
Got it?
So we got the TikTok L'Oreal Infallible Foundation Powder, full coverage concealer, and a blush. Lovely.
Great.
Let's go pick.
Let's go.
Oh girl, I'm back. Girls, we've got to talk. So, we have it. We've gone and fucking done it. So, today we are going to be trying on and reviewing the L'Oreal. I keep saying Infallible, girl. It's Infaillible, unlike me. It is gorgeous. So, this is TikTok viral. It's basically supposed to be like the world's most amazing thing, probably competing with the recently released Fenty Beauty Powder Foundation. So, yeah, I mean, it's exciting. So, as you can see today, I look like absolute shit. So, I have just done a 5 in the morning shift with my very laborious job. I've busted up my arm. I've got cuts and scratches all over me, girl. These are not girly hands. These are manly hands. The only manly thing about me, girls. So, today, as you see in the vlogs, let's just give it a go. So, to start this off, girls, I have done my eyebrows and I have concealed it. I've used the L'Oreal Infallible Keep It All On Theme. Infaillible More Than Concealer. And this is in the shade Porcelain. So, I've used it here. And I matted it down with the Maybelline Matte Makeup Powder, which is in the shade Nude Beige. Cute! And if you really care, I've used e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Pomade. There you go. That's in the shade, I think, dark brown. This one doesn't say it's that shade, if you really actually care. Anyway, the reason you're here, TikTok viral, TikTok. I hate TikTok. I have a bit of a love-hate TikTok like relationship. I hate it, but I love it. So, I need to calm down, girl, I'm knackered. So here we have my gorgeous skin. As you can see, it's in pristine condition. I have a half-shaved beard because it decided to break on me, and now my charger's broke, so the hair's growing out, so let's let the beard go. And yeah, so you open her up. I have gone for the shade. There wasn't a lot of shade ranges, as you saw. The shade Vanilla. So when you open her up, it's this really gorgeous packaging. Absolutely stunning. Bit of ingenuity there. And then when you flip her over, because we all like to get flipped from time to time, you have this little like powder packer and a mirror moment. Gorgeous, yeah? So, do you know what something I need to work on, girls? Actually looking at the camera. Because it's my phone, I look at me, but not the camera. Anyway, so we are gonna go in for a 50-50. So we are just gonna go straight over the bag. You can conceal, but I'm gonna try it without. If it looks shit, I'm gonna conceal, then go over it, okay? So I'm first gonna go in with a little powder compact. I'm gonna do a 50-50. So obviously most people, this is great for on the go, but you don't always apply with this. You'll either go for a beauty blender or a brush, okay? So we're gonna do 50-50. One half is going to be with the sponge, and the other half I'm gonna be using a Morphe brush, okay? Because it is powder based. So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna go for a few swipes. Ooh, girl, she's thick. It picks up really nicely on the sponge. And let's just see, it's definitely too dark, but girls, we're coming into summer. Let's just go in and just go for it. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, that is intense. Wow. Do you know, whoa. That's actually amazing, you know. I'm actually shook. No wonder it's sold out everywhere. I had to go to a bus station to get this. Girl, I ain't been to a bus station since I was 18. No shade for her to take the bus. God, I'm so sensitive. Look at this. Right, let's go for the under eyes. This is where it gets really bad. Like, look how bad these eyes are. I'm so tired. So let's just go in under the eye. Wow. Although it's not my shade, that's actually amazing. Compare this to this already. Like, that's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of this side of the face and I'll be back. Okay, so here we have the 50-50. We have obviously the foundation side, which it looks so smooth and airbrushed. It goes onto the skin great. I mean, I'm going to conceal these eyes. These eyes, girls, it needs to be done. So I'm going to conceal this side before I do that side. But look how amazing it is. It's airbrushed. I think if you get the right shade, it definitely helps. This is a bit too like yellow for my liking. But comparing this to this, you can see why it's viral. So let's go in for the brush. So going in now with a Morphe brush. This is the Morphe M106 brush. We're gonna go in here. Whoa, kickback. Be careful, girls. This is delicate. Oh shit. And then let's dab it on here. And yeah, it's airbrushing straight over. You saw that big red spot? It's going. Okay, wow. Okay, the kickback is real. Hang on. I'm just gonna go in with a bit of makeup setting spray. Just to really pick up that kickback, because I do not want to waste that. Because girl, it's going everywhere on my titties. Let's pick it. That's actually quite amazing. You can really see a difference when using a brush. So if you want like a lighter application, go in for like a brush for sure. If you want a heavier application, go in with a sponge. I do feel like it probably uses more product using a brush because it's just causing loads of kickback. Whereas the sponge, it really sat and soaked into that amazingly, and it feels really nice and like durable, like it's gonna last. So I'm just gonna finish off my face now with the brush so we can compare 50-50, and then we'll even her out and we'll do like a contoury kind of like blush moment to see what it's like for day-to-day wear. So here we have it, girls. We have the 50-50. What do you think? So you have the brush side here, which is definitely finer, definitely thinner. You can kind of see the patchiness, the unevenness, whereas this is entirely smooth. So my recommendations personally, from what I found, I'm very yellow though, is to go in with the sponge. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to even her up now, and then we're going to go into daylight, into my living room, see what it looks like for when you're outside day to day, as opposed to behind 12 ring lights. Hello darling, so here we are now in my living room. We are in the natural daylight, feeling lively and fresh. What do you think? I think it definitely looks better in the daylight as opposed to behind the light. In the light it's very yellow, it shows the true kind of shade, whereas this is kind of more of the true reality. It might look a bit under the lamp, but this is more like natural because you're not going to be under ring lights when you're out and about in the harbour centre, are you? So to be fair, I do really like it. It's a product I'm definitely going to buy again when it comes down to, you know, getting an actual shade. I'm going to go for the lighter shade for sure. I think it's called porcelain potentially. I'm going to give that a go because I'd rather go lighter and then you can bronze it up as opposed to going in with the darker and then you've got to try and pale it out. So I'm just going to go back under the light now and I'm just going to apply the finishing touches, get a tiny bit of concealer on this face, a bit of blush and contour, well, a bit bronzer, and we'll finish up this video and see what you think. Girls, look how good this turned out. I'm in love. So I am feeling fucking amazing. I feel tans, I feel summery, I feel fresh. My eyebrows are banging. How did the powder work? Final reviews. Are you gonna go out and spend £12.50 for it? That's the real question now, isn't it? So I would say, yes, you are going to go out and spend £12.50 for it because it is so worth the money. My eyes are red because I stabbed myself in the eye with my makeup brush. It's not for me. So, did I find it easy? So to start with, I did find it a bit difficult. However, when I switched up my product, we were going good. I would say it's probably down to the product and nothing else. So I was starting off with the Nyx Bronzer. However, I thought, girl, we're in a pandemic. You've got to enjoy yourself. So then we pulled out the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, which is the powder-based one, not the cream-based one. And we were topping up, and this was a bit problematic, was the Morphe, I believe it's, what's it called? Cool Pro, like a blush palette. It wasn't really doing much. And then I hit it up with the L'Oreal Paris Le Brush. And this is in the shade Rosewood, which is, you can't really go wrong with Rosewood. And it's cute, I really like it. Do you like it? I feel smoky, I feel gorgeous, I feel smoky, I feel gorgeous. So if you did enjoy this and you do want to get it, I got mine from, if you are Bedford based, I got it from the Superdrug by the bus station. If you're not, then good luck and let me know if you find one yourself and what you think. I might not even go for a stronger shade because I'll just use this up over summer. I feel tanned and good. Obviously you can see my actual white boy skin here. It's not good, huh? But I love it, it's really good. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I will see you on the next video. The next one, what am I doing next? It's probably going to be a glossy box by now. And then after that, I have another one lined up and another one lined up and another one lined up. The next one after the glossy box 4, I'm not sure, we'll see how I feel, is going to be a skincare based one. So please subscribe if you want to see that. It is with e.l.f. Cosmetics, so that'll be quite fun. And yeah, thank you for coming shopping with me. I'm definitely going to do that more. I love that. That was so fun. I liked being a bit sneaky beaky and taking my phone in and recording. It felt like I had company when I was feeling alone. So I'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye. Completely missed face. Bye-bye. I love you so much. Ciao, Bella. Mwah.